Hello everyone, we're inviting you here at Waterfront Airport Hotel and Casino for our we're offering our lunch and dinner buffet for Chinese New Year, and we're also looking forward for our Valentine's offer as well. We also have our lunch and dinner buffet at the same time. Thank you very much everyone. 𝗪𝗪𝗏𝗄𝗎. Happy New Year.
Ni hao, 𝗪𝗪𝗏𝗄𝗎. Welcome to Waterfront Airport Hotel and Casino, the gateway of Cebuano hospitality and of course culinary cuisine. So I invite you all to come at Cafe Uno for our Chinese offering today. We have lunch buffet and of course dinner buffet, and of course after Chinese New Year we are celebrating the love month here at Cafe Uno. Please dine with us on our Valentine's Day. It's a Wednesday here at Cafe Uno for only 1488. If you want unlimited sangria, it's 1688. And of course we are offering harana or love music at the veranda after you dine. So what are you waiting for? Alina sa Cafe Uno.